The bird dance.
Wow!
All right, birds, it's time to dance. Let's learn the moves first. Our dance has 5 moves, so practice them with me. The first move is called small wings. Take your hands and cross them over each other like this. And then cross your thumbs together like this. These are called small wings. We're going to flap our wings 4 times in each direction, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can do that with me now. Okay, your arms and your wings ready. And ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Our second move is called peck. So take your hands and put them behind your back, and you're going to peck 4 times to each side. So get yourself ready. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, our third move is called big wings. Get your big wings out like this. And we're going to flap 4 times on each side. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, move number 4 is called the penguin. Put your feet together like a penguin. Put your hands at your side. And we're going to spin in a circle and count to 8. So get ready, penguins. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Our last move, number 5, is called the flamingo. Just like a flamingo, we're going to stand on 1 foot. So put 1 foot strong on the ground. Move your arms up a little bit, and we're going to move our leg up while we count to 4. Ready? Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and down. Good job. Let's do the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and down. All right, we are ready to dance.
The bird machine. Check.